G'day guys, Andrew here from Street Machine for another episode of Nulon's Project XY. Today we'll get to see how this 50-year-old car really performs when we take it on the ultimate Aussie road trip. As with any build, we needed to give Project XY a good shakedown to iron out any bugs and make sure that whoever wins this car will enjoy trouble-free motoring for years to come. So what better way to do that than to join 50 other muscle cars on a road trip to the SMC 500 held at Cootamundra.
So I haven't driven a lot of metal bumpered cars before, and what surprised me the most is how comfortable these cars are. I could have driven to Melbourne and back. You make friends instantly, you know, there are people waving at you, there's people honking their horns. I made more friends with truckies driving to Cootamundra than I ever thought I would. Through all the late nights and hard work we put into this car, finally getting into that driver's seat and spending some real time behind the steering wheel was an amazing experience. Something I'll never forget. The runway was an incredible experience. There's no speed cameras, there's no obstructions. We could really let that 600 plus horsepower motor sing. I felt sorry for the back tyres by the end of it. As with any new build, a shakedown's really important. A couple of laps around the block simply doesn't cut it. At the airport, we were fortunate enough to put the car through its paces and iron any bugs out. So really, us doing burnouts benefits you.
With only a few weeks remaining until Nulon gives this car away to one lucky punter, be sure to head to the website, projectxy.com.au, and register your details. Don't forget, you can maximise your chance of winning by purchasing Nulon products at participating retailers.